I'm me.
Thanks for coming.
Oh, yeah.
You did good.
I am.
Hi.
I thought you were going to fall there for a minute, but you did good.
I thought I was going to.
Yeah, I know.
Uncle Bill.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
A lot of these people, it's nice to meet you.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to the family.
Thank you.
Well, it'll give you a few months to decide if you really want to be there or not. No.
I think so. I think I kind of like her, you know. So
This is
The rest of us.
Oh.
Her husband, Robbie.
Hi.
Robbie.
Oh, hi. I know Robbie. How are
Yeah,
you?
you do.
You did it now, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Congratulations.
Hi, Robbie. How
How you doing there?
are you?
Got a nice girl.
Yes, I do. I'm lucky.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, very lucky.
Good to
Hi.
see you. Thank you. This is Katie.
Katie.
Everett used to be a friend of my father's. This is his.
Oh, okay. Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
And thank you for coming.
And this is another Katie that you already know.
I know, Katie.
How'd you make out with the programs?
How'd you do, Katie? How'd we do, Katie? Hey, Danny. How's it going, buddy? How'd we do up there, okay? Yeah? That's my mom. My dad. Hey.
Wish you so
thank you.
much good luck to
Thank you very much.
Great.
So,
That's
thank
great.
you. Hey, how you doing? Thank you. Congratulations. Hey, Sharon. I'm really glad you came. Thank you.
I wouldn't miss a time.
Thank you very much.
Hi.
Hi, Brenda.
I think so.
How you doing? Hey, Tara. 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 Oh, hi. Oh, how you doing? Okay.
Very nice. Congratulations.
You can come to the reception if you like. I mean, if you want to, if you have time. Okay, you'll have to find out directions from... Why don't you talk to... Are they? Okay, why don't you come by? Okay, great.
Much later. Much later. Thank you very much.
Thank you for reading.
Boy, you were good.
Thanks a lot. I was trying. It's hard.
Yeah, I tried everything.
Harder than I thought.
Like the last couple hours, quick reception too.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, so I have the whole day.
All right.
Oh, hi, Tom.
I'm really glad you could. I was worried for a second. Sharon told me, oh no, Melissa can't.
I tried everything I got here.
Oh gosh, that'd be terrible if our best friend could. So, that's my mom.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi, how you doing, Tom?
All right.
I wouldn't have missed her.
You okay now?
Yeah.
It's over.
That's hard.
It's nerve-wracking, isn't it?
Congratulations.
Oh God.
Oh, God, he said. Oh, God. It's that 40, 50 year stuff he was talking about up there.
Oh boy, that's a.
Hello, Michael Moran, Sharon and Tom's friend. Hi, George. Bring him all the way from last night.
We will.
Hi, Kay.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. I'm glad you came.
I'm really glad to be here.
Thank you.
Taking care of it.
Oh, I will. I always do. Hey, Steve.
Congratulations.
How you doing, buddy? Thanks for being here. Oh, a little bit, yeah.
Maybe this will be you soon. Bobby's boyfriend.
A lot of weather.
I agree.
Good answer.
How you doing?
Tom. Congratulations. What a very nice Oh, yeah. All the sequins in the back.
Hey, how you doing?
Beautiful.
Yeah, I know Tiffany.
Tom's mom, right?
Hey, good to see you again. Oh, thank you. I'm glad you could make it down here. Good to see you. Oh, boy.
You did the smart way.
I'm one of Sharon's uncles.
This must be Tom.
This is Tom.
Hi.
This is my cousin Rick.
Oh, Rick, nice to meet you. She says cousin Rick and all this. I've never met anybody yet, so.
This is a lot of hi. How are you doing? Congratulations, Amy.
Amy,
We
oh,
actually
okay.
went to high school together.
All right, I know.
I knew her before you had her.
Oh, really? Yeah. Thank you very much. Hey.
You remember Carol? Across the street, Carol. Thank you for the lovely gift. Paul gave it to me.
As soon as we showed up, we're like, we got it.
You're good.
Thanks, Paul.
Great.
Thanks for coming.
Take it relax.
This is my mom.
Hi, how are you?
Wait. Was she sweating or what, Tom? How you doing, Tom?
Hey.
Dennis.
This is Dennis.
How you doing,
It's really nice to meet you. I finally get to meet her. She talks about you all the
With the name
time.
with the face.
You have
Face.
a card, though.
Oh, you're going to recruit me now?
Absolutely.
Okay.
He's on an active reserve in the Air Force now. He's taken.
I'm taking
Plus,
it.
you're going to Philly, yeah.
No, way more than Philly.
We're going way up there, yeah.
Really?
Way up there.
Way up there. Well, how you got? Take care, Dennis. It's nice meeting you, really.
Nice meeting you, really.
See you, I'm sure, again.
Hi, how you doing? Dennis and Kathy.
Thank you.
I wish you both the best.
Oh, I'm glad you could come down here. I really
You're
am.
so handsome. But you know,
Isn't he though?
I wish we weren't leaving. I was telling these guys I wish I could bring my landlords with us.
oh stop, no, we're friends.
I really do.
Like,
wish I
you
could. Oh,
well, you're not beautiful, you're handsome.
I was very nice. This is my mother. This is one of my landlords. She lives right next door.
We're neighbors.
Yeah.
Same here.
It's Arlene.
We've got
You got the baby?
perspective, but
Nothing.
believe me, they're going to be able to walk on water and dodge bullets.
There you go.
And my farming buddy's leaving me.
Oh, I got
Give me number 2.
Go ahead.
I'm going to be number one.
Go ahead. I'm good. It's good to see you.
Congratulations.
Is there any way?
You know what I've got where I am? I can't believe that.
Hi. Oh, I think I met you. He lives up above us.
I live in the penthouse.
We never see each other.
Okay.
Hi, Raina.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How are you? This is Sandy.
Andy, nice to meet you. Andy.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thanks for coming down. Hi.
We're living on the same day. Almost. Really? Yeah, almost. They're all tagged. We gotta take lessons from her. She tags early.
How you doing there?
Good luck to you.
I called the other one,
I'll be on reading.
Smith, how you doing? We're Uncle George and Aunt Sis.
Or whatever she sings like she's a
Oh, thank you very much. What's your name?
Mike Howard.
Mike Howard.
Husband of the singer Oboist.
Oh, that was beautiful. I'm really glad you guys put all the way here. I really am. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
We have a
Steve.
date. All right, man.
Thanks, I did it, huh?
Isn't it weird? It doesn't seem like it's that quick. And it's like, holy cow.
I looked at my watch. I'm like, oh my gosh, 5 minutes. You know, I couldn't believe this. This is just unreal.
All right. Well, congratulations.
Hey.
Hi, you made it.
Oh, gosh.
That was beautiful. I mean, really, I appreciate you coming all
Are
the
you
way
gonna
up.
make it through today?
Now I am.
Yeah, now you are. Now the hard part's over. Oh, good
Yeah, I thought so.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Carol.
Oh, nice to meet you, Carol.
She's the other half of the video. You
The
saw
video
her.
guy? Yeah, I saw
Staring
you.
at her the whole time.
I could have a mansion that is higher than the trees. I could have all the gifts I want and never ask, please. I could fly to Paris, oh, that's at my beck and call. Why do I go through life with nothing at all? But when I dream, I dream of you. Maybe someday you will come true. I can even call someone to take me to the moon. I can put my makeup on and drive the men insane. I can go to bed alone and never know his name. But when I dream of you, maybe someday you will come true. But when I dream of you, maybe someday you will come true.
If you change your mind on the first in line, honey, I'm still free. Take a chance on me. If you need me, let me know. Gonna be around.